Hey, welcome back to Five Lakes Garage, and guess what? We got another project. All right, this is not my project. Actually, I kind of inherited this project, but no, this is my brother Dave's boat. It's an 06 Tahoe. It's got an aluminum deck. It's got a lot of really good features. Unfortunately, it's got a couple bad features as well, and that's kind of what we're kind of looking at today, is trying to get a plan on how we can get this thing seaworthy one more time. So anyway, current issues, had engine issues. We kind of looked at that once before. We got it running, kind of found a couple other issues, and that I'll be taking that back to the shop and fixing those later. But let's go back to the engine and let you see. All right, so we have a 60 horse Yamaha. A little dirty, but anyway, a couple of things that we had issues with. All right, threads in here, get you a light. Threads in there, nice and thready. Threads in there, yeah, there are none. Yeah, so anyway, so we're gonna put a helicoil in there, try to protect it, try to get it to work again. These heads are not that cheap, so we're gonna try to fix it. We did have it run in earlier, but of course I blew the spark plug out, and yeah, blew it right off. It happens. But anyway, the engine is savable. We're gonna look at some fuel system modifications, but we can actually get that guy running. The other big issue is that she sinks. Slowly, but she sinks. And I've kind of figured out why. I kind of brought my little grinder out and got rid of this. I don't know what kind of coating this crap is, but it is garbage. So I got most of it off. It looks like some of the bigger holes the guy, previous owner, put a bunch of screws in, try to fill it in. But it's got a bunch of divots and stuff like that that either we need to fix or maybe pull the tunes off and put new ones on. This side's a little bit worse. So we got screws, and then you have hole and a hole and a hole and a hole and a patch, which I'm trying to grind that off and see what kind of patchwork it is. But all in all, it's got a little bit of ding in there. It's got a little bit of holes. We can fill those in. Might just, once I get all this crap off, because of course you can't weld to this garbage, and then maybe hit it with the TIG and just fill in all the holes. We're gonna have to figure out some sort of a rig to elevate this thing, pull the trailer out so we can get underneath and actually work on the tunes. I would like to actually tip it up on its side so I'm not on my back, but we'll figure that out when the time comes. So I guess my question for you out there, how much of this do you guys really want to see? I do plan on coming back for another weekend and strip off the rest of the tunes, mark everywhere that we need to weld, bring out the TIG welder, hit it with some chemicals to get rid of the rest of the crap so we can actually treat it, and then fill in the tunes. Or should I actually get new tunes? I don't know. But anyway, let's go take a look on the inside real quick and see what we got up there. All right, now we're inside. The seats aren't in too bad a shape, just needs a good cleaning. The captain chair might need a little love, but we can take care of that. It's just a little bit of a cover. The bimini top is actually in pretty good shape, and the floor, then we're gonna have to pressure wash that guy and get rid of the carpety stuff, because underneath it, it's all aluminum, no wood on this baby. That's one of the reasons why we actually looked at it. A few setbacks here and there, but we're gonna get it going for him because I have to, because it's his wedding gift. Anyway, so let me know down in the comments below how much you really want to see in this project, and I will try to document as much as I can. Either that, or I'm just gonna come out here and blitz it. But anyway, now you've seen the new project. Let me know what you think. Comment down below, and we'll go from there. Later.